Over 40% of engine check light cases are caused by sensor failures, and one small part is responsible for most of them, the MAP sensor. When it fails, your car can hesitate, stall, or even go into limp mode without warning. In this video, we'll expose the hidden signs your MAP sensor's dying and how to fix it before it kills performance. What is the MAP sensor and why it matters? The MAP sensor, or manifold absolute pressure sensor, measures the air pressure inside the intake manifold. This data helps the ECU calculate how much fuel to inject for the perfect air-fuel mixture. In both gasoline and diesel engines, the MAP sensor is critical for performance, efficiency, and emissions. If it feeds incorrect readings, the ECU sends the wrong amount of fuel or mistimes ignition, causing rough running, stalling, or even long-term damage. Number 1. Check engine light. The first and most common clue is the check engine light. When the MAP sensor sends inconsistent voltage or pressure data, the ECU immediately detects it. You'll often see codes like P0105, P0106, P0107, or P0108 on a scanner. In this stage, the car might still drive normally, but ignoring it can lead to poor fuel economy and misfires. Scan your vehicle right away. These codes directly point to the MAP sensor circuit or its voltage range. Number 2. Poor fuel economy. If your car suddenly guzzles more fuel, your MAP sensor may be over-reporting air pressure. The ECU then injects too much fuel, making the engine run rich. You might notice black soot on the tailpipe or a strong gasoline smell, especially at idle. On diesel vehicles, this means wasted fuel and excessive smoke. Long-term, running rich, can damage the catalytic converter and increase carbon buildup in the intake. Fix. Scan for codes and inspect the sensor for contamination. Cleaning it with a dedicated electronic parts cleaner can sometimes restore proper readings. Number 3. Rough or unstable idle. When idling, the engine relies heavily on MAP readings to maintain stability. A faulty sensor can cause the engine speed to rise and fall or even stall at stoplights. You might feel vibration through the steering wheel or see RPMs swinging on the gauge. The reason is simple. The ECU can't maintain the right fuel balance because it's reading the wrong manifold pressure. Fix. Check for vacuum leaks or damaged hoses near the sensor. A cracked line can mimic MAP sensor failure by leaking air and confusing the ECU. Number 4. Sluggish acceleration. Pressing the throttle but feeling a delayed or weak response is another giveaway. When the MAP sensor underreports pressure, the ECU keeps the mix too lean, too much air, not enough fuel. That means sluggish acceleration, hesitation, and poor hill climbing. In diesels, this can also limit turbo boost since the ECU may cut fuel to prevent overfueling. Fix. If you're using an OBD2 scanner, compare the MAP sensor's readings with ambient barometric pressure at key-on. They should match within a few kilopascals. If not, the sensor may need replacement. Number 5. Excess exhaust smoke. This symptom shows up most in diesel engines, but gasoline vehicles can show it too. A faulty MAP sensor can cause overfueling, leading to incomplete combustion. You'll notice black smoke during acceleration or startup. It's also a top reason for failed emissions tests, since rich mixtures produce high CO and HC levels. Fix. After cleaning or replacing the MAP sensor, reset the ECU and let it relearn idle and fuel trim settings. For diesels, clean soot buildup around the sensor port often clogs with carbon from the EGR system. Number 6. Misfires or engine knocking. As the MAP data drifts further out of spec, ignition timing becomes erratic. Cylinders might fire late or early, causing misfires or knocking under load. You'll feel jerky power delivery, poor acceleration, or even hear a metallic pinging sound during throttle input. This is especially dangerous because prolonged knocking can damage pistons and valves. Fix. If you detect these symptoms, scan for misfire codes alongside MAP-related codes. Replacing spark plugs and coils only after verifying the MAP sensor isn't the root cause. Number 7. Hard starting or stalling after start. If your car struggles to start cranking too long or dying right after firing up the MAP sensor, might be stuck reading high or low. During startup, the ECU uses MAP data to decide how much fuel to inject. Wrong data means too much or too little fuel, so the engine floods or starves. Fix. Test the sensor's output voltage with a digital multimeter. Most sensors show about 5 volts reference and 0.5 to 4.5 volt signal depending on vacuum. If readings stay fixed, the sensor is bad. Replace it, clear the codes, and restart the engine. Number 8. Limp mode. When the ECU detects extreme MAP data errors or voltage loss, it may activate limp mode. This mode limits RPMs and power to prevent damage. If your car won't accelerate beyond a certain speed or feels like it's restricted, that's limp mode. You'll also see the check engine light. Fix. Inspect wiring first. A broken wire, short, or corroded connector can cause this. If the wiring checks out, replace the MAP sensor and clear codes.